All right, the drink we're about to make is called a Flamingo Cocktail. We're going to serve this in a martini glass. If you want to put some water and some ice in there, let it set for 30 seconds. It's going to have it nice and chilled when you're ready to use it. Okay, put some ice in a glass. And we're going to measure out 1 shot of gin. And 1/2 of an ounce of apricot brandy. And the juice of 1/2 of a lime. Make sure you squeeze that real good. Get as much the juice in there as you can. That'll do. And finally, a teaspoon of grenadine. There we go. Now let's shake these up real good. Should have a nice pink color, just like a flamingo, right? Get it nice and cold. And go ahead and grab your martini glass and your strainer. You got a pretty pink cocktail. There we go. Flamingo Cocktail, bottoms up.